As the company behind the blockchain, Ripple, expands its commercial fronts inside the sphere, XRP as a cryptocurrency continues to capture the interest of worldwide companies. According to CoinMarketCap, it is the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with a value of $44.46 billion. Today's XRP price is $1.02, and the market is attempting to regain momentum and rebound from the previous week's drop. As we can see, the market is up 2.10% in the last 24 hours. XRP has managed to overcome the obstacles posed by Ripple Inc.'s legal concerns in the United States, despite not bringing in a lot of money so far this year. The San Francisco-based blockchain business has announced the development of non-fungible tokens, NFT, on the XRP ledger through a $250 million fund. What's up, fellas? Welcome to your favorite cryptocurrency news channel, XRP HUD. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and enable alerts to be notified when we add new content. Welcome back, XRP gang, to yet another video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and leave a comment in the space below. Now that we've cleared that up, let's get started. Returning to today's video, we can see that the XRP price is maintaining its yearly gains despite Ripple's legal concerns. Ripple Inc. is expanding its company into the NFT industry, and XRP appears to be on the mend. As a result of this move, the company will be able to incentivize brands, marketplaces, and creators to explore new use cases for the NFT market, despite the current excitement surrounding the sector. In reality, Ripple stated in a blog post that they have considered crypto and blockchain as great levelers, unleashing access and equity for everyone since their inception. More specifically, they stated that the growth of NFT is a crucial component of that vision, assisting in the creation of a tokenized future that will allow new business models to thrive and people to participate more deeply with the communities and issues that are most important to them. This statement alone boosted the XRP price to new highs and surged by 7.5%. Aside from that, Ripple has been embroiled in a protracted legal dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. It was recently revealed that the U.S. watchdog does not always consider XRP to be a security, which is the sticking point in the legal fight. Only until 2018 was XRP placed on the SEC list of securities. When the news broke, the XRP price jumped by 10% in September because it contradicted the regulator's earlier statement that the XRP coin was a security from the start. As a result, the US SEC utilized such allegation to establish that Ripple was allegedly involved in illegal security sales from the beginning. The flood of good news for Ripple and XRP continued in September, as Rosie Rios, the 43rd Treasurer of the United States from 2009 to 2016 under President Barack Obama, provided her definition of XRP, which differs from the SEC allegations. The fundamental goal of XRP is to facilitate cross-border payments, whilst other hash cryptos find value in speculation. China's newest move emphasizes this argument. Following that, we have this tweet from @RippleXRP, which states, "Ripple battles for papers that would reveal the SEC solely judged him in statement a personal view for XRP loss. According to experts, Ripple XRP will win the case." According to that piece, Ripple is fighting for documentation that would show the SEC only considered Hinman's statement to be personal viewpoint for XRP loss. Former SEC Commissioner William Hinman delivered a lecture in which he declared that Bitcoin and Ether were not securities. Ripple has alleged a lack of deliberative process privilege, DPP, for the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in its latest battle approach. A DPP, for example, is a common law principle that prevents a government entity from releasing specific information. Previously, former SEC Director William Hinman delivered a lecture in which he declared Bitcoin and Ether not to be securities. For many years, SEC officials cited this speech as proof that the regulator was providing guidance to the industry. The SEC, however, later proclaimed the speech to be personal opinion rather than official policy. Ripple is now attempting to use 3 documents to demonstrate the SEC reversal. Judge Sarah Netburn, who has presided over the SEC v. Ripple case, is anticipated to go over the SEC documentation. She will next decide whether or not they are protected information under the DPP. Furthermore, as previously stated, Ripple filed 3 additional documents regarded very significant to their defense a week after the argument. The records contain an email exchange between the regulator and a third party. According to reports, the SEC directed a third party to study XRP using a methodology inspired by Hinman's 2018 lecture. Is Ripple likely to triumph? Experts believe so. According to experts, the paper might be used to indicate that the speech was not merely a personal opinion, but rather the SEC official position on digital assets. Such a disclosure could provide the groundwork for the defendants. Ripple's victory. Not only the Ripple community, but the entire crypto community, is hoping for a favorable judgment. The eventual decision of the lawsuit could be regarded as a crucial reference point when evaluating other crypto assets. This case has a significant impact on the growth and future of the entire ecosystem. As Gokhshtein Media founder David Gokhshtein tweeted, Ripple's victory would bring clarity to the whole crypto business, but we definitely shouldn't talk about it, right? Analysts currently have an optimistic perspective on XRP based on the above case developments. Ripple, a massive payment solutions company, is the largest public holder of the digital asset. As a result, the decision of the case would have a significant impact on the XRP price. Despite SEC criticism, XRP remains strong. Despite significant setbacks, Ripple's defense team stated that the company has no intention of settling with the regulator. Meanwhile, Ripple has expanded its payment system into Africa and Latin America. Bhutan, a country in the eastern Himalayas, also intends to launch its CBDC in collaboration with Ripple. Following that, we get another tweet from @Ripple XRP stating that Fed Chair Jerome Powell has stated that the United States will not outlaw cryptocurrencies. XRP. If we check at the link given beneath this tweet, we can see that the United States has no plans to ban Bitcoin. Is it possible that additional positive news will be released in the following month? Let's just give it some time and see what happens. While China maintains its antagonistic attitude towards the cryptocurrency business through outright restrictions, the United States appears to be taking a substantially different and more open-minded approach. In the last 24 hours, Fed Chair Jerome Powell has reassured the country that the use of digital assets will not be prohibited, while a U.S. congressman has wondered if the government should adopt cryptocurrencies as the new gold standard. The Federal Reserve has no plans to outlaw cryptocurrency. For years, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies has been a thorn in the side of the world's most populous country. Despite this, a slew of projects sprouted, and China became the home of more than 60% of BTC's hash rate. Nonetheless, the authorities' unfriendly posture simply grew more aggressive, culminating this year. Back in May, the government reenacted past bans and enacted new ones, effectively driving miners out of the country. Recently, China's central bank barred all local firms from dealing with anything remotely related to cryptocurrency. This created market disruptions. At the same time, a number of prominent figures encouraged the U.S. to take a completely opposite attitude on cryptocurrency, and it appears that this is exactly what the United States intends to do, at least according to Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. During yesterday's meeting of the House Financial Services Committee, he stated that the government had no plans to restrict cryptocurrencies. He did, however, insist that some digital assets, particularly stablecoins, must be controlled. As we conclude today's video, the SEC has now requested a telephone meeting with Judge Sarah Netburn. According to a tweet from @XRP CryptoWolf, the SEC wishes to be relieved of its obligation to reply to Ripple's 29,947 admission petitions. According to that story, the SEC has now sought a phone call with Judge Sarah Netburn. The agency wishes to be released of its obligation to respond to 29,947 admission requests. The SEC stated that the defendants made these demands within the final 6 hours of fact discovery, a burden that is excessive, disproportionate, and needless. The SEC said that the entire process was burdensome. The requests place an extraordinary, disproportionate, and unwarranted burden on the SEC, and preparing suitable responses would take months of sustained work by the SEC lawyers. The agency also stated, these demands are likewise disproportionate because they would place an undue burden on the SEC, and it is unclear how defendants would ever use the SEC responses in court or on summary judgment. Let's take a look at the charts with that in mind. As previously stated, Ripple has just announced the establishment of a $250 million creator fund to investigate novel use cases for non-fungible tokens, NFT on the XRP ledger, XRPL. The substantial fund will provide financial, technical, and creative assistance to creators, brands, and marketplaces, as the company collaborated with NFT marketplaces Mintable and Mint NFT, as well as brand design agency VSA Partners. XRPL, an open-source, decentralized blockchain that allows for the tokenization of any asset, including NFT, has a built-in decentralized exchange, DEX, that allows for fast settlement at a cheap cost with built-in royalties. Technically, we believe Ripple has begun an uptrend, but it is still trading inside the range defined by the support and resistance levels highlighted on the chart. The more likely move is to the upside, but we'll have to watch the price action as it approaches the resistance to see if it breaks out of the range or reverses and retests the support region. We recommend exercising extreme caution. Trade with caution. Please bear in mind that we are not a registered investment advisor. All the videos on this channel are just for entertainment reasons. Let us know what you think in the comments box below, and we'll have a discussion. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking the button below. Turn on alerts to be notified every time we publish new interesting stuff. We'll see you in the following video.